Alright guys, you want to see how far down the rabbit hole I am? Check it out. I use code involving 0IVXLC. Now, Austin Lee Meredith, the father of the free energy device that we live inside, ALM. Interesting. Because what I see right now is a 1 and a 12 and a 13. Now, if a 1 is a circle around a 12 and a 13, if the 1 were to be absorbed by one of them, I think it would be in the lesser one in order to create balance. Let me explain. ALM. ALM. 1, 12, 13 is a 12 and a 13 with a circle around it. But if you were to attain balance, get rid of the circle, it would go to the 12 to make a 13 and a 13 to make a 26. Now, what's interesting about 13 and 13 is that that's the letter M and M. If you were to put circles around the 13, which you have to do. And if you convert it to letters, you get MM, and MM is 1,000. 1,000. Which is 2,000. You know? Maybe 2,000? So 2001, A Space Odyssey, guys? So 2001 A Space Odyssey is derived from Austin Lee Meredith and the knowledge of the Illuminati over our creator. And they know that we live in a cellular energy device, and they always have, and they steal money from you with NASA and government and all that stuff to control you. What gets better is that we decoded, we decoded 01VXLC, okay? DM, you know, but whatever. So this is a 0, that's a 1, that's a 5, that's a 10. Look at that, guys. If the 0 is a 1, and you add them all together, you get 17. We're 2017. You know, we're 2017, guys. Because you have to account for the 1 somewhere. Rightio. What's next on the batting list? Oh, okay. We have to understand not only, like, you know, 1, 2, 3 makes 4. We have to understand 5. And we have to understand makes 6. You know? Because we are 1 of 7, of 13 of 110, we have to know 7 of 7. Okay? And I'll eventually understand the D, which is a 500. 7. Okay? The full 7. Get back to the M. Alright? So, I can derive where your seconds come and your minutes come from. Look, a 60 circled and a 60 circled. Look, you have 60 seconds and 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, cool. We have 364 days in a year depicted in my other depiction, but what do we got here? I haven't done the math yet. I haven't added these all up. What the hell is it? 61, 61, 39, 39, and 48. So that'll be equal to 122, 78, 122, 78, and 48. 2, 1. So that'd be 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 1. So it's 242. 242 guy. You know, 4 with a 2, 2. Creation code. Creation code. Depicting a cell. The realm of Earth, cellular energy, whatever you want. We just had Super Bowl this. you know, 99. Anyway, interesting. I see it now. I see where you make the L. The L is this. You have a 1 and you have a 3. Okay? But this is also a 3. This means this is a 3 going out of the page. So you've already made the V, but now you're making the L. Because this is it's like a 3x3 and a 1x3, but you can look at it as an L. So what you got is, okay, you have an L. It's different than a V, because a V is this. And that's an L. So you're making an L with the MM, okay? And then this stuff. For 2017, to make an L, which is 50, to understand 50. And then once you understand the cipher, it's pretty easy. So that means, like, you know, 2 of these, you know? Make a hypercube. What's going to happen is that this one's going to want to bend over like this. And then this one's going to want to bend over like that, you know? And then that one's here, and then that one's here for obtaining balance, you know? Because it's going to eventually get attracted to another C. And then this one's going to straighten up. And this one's going to bulge backwards. And it's eventually going to make your D. And then your 2 Ds, one's going to straighten up like this and have a thing come down like that. It's going to break. And the same thing with this one. Sorry if these are terrible. And it's going to eventually make an M. Because this one's going to turn around like that guy. And that one's going to be normal D. And then we're going to have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to understand this circle. We're going to understand this. That's what we're going to understand here. And we're going to repeat the whole sequence, but instead of using a 3, you know, a 1x3, a 1x3, we're going to be using a 1x6 and a 1x6. Do all the same crap. With more stuff. Yeah. Okay? A V is not an L. A V does not equal an L. Well, they do, you know, because they're circled. So a 1 is equal to a 1. I'm just saying this does not equal this. Cool.